G'day, Daniel Watson here from Vertech IT Services. This is Cybersecurity Tip number 96. Okay, today I'm talking about an emerging series of scams which are coming out called the Flubot. Flubot because it was first found in Spain and it spreads like an aerosolized pulmonary infection, respiratory infection, correction. So what it is that people are getting text messages that appearing to come from courier post or something like that saying that you've got a missed delivery or that there's some postage owing on it. The subject keeps on changing, right? But the idea is that what they want you to do is to click the link, go through there and they give you instructions on how to install the app, right? Like a courier company might do. And then from there, what it's going to do is try and steal your credit card information, your banking details, and also it's going to use your phone to spread it out to as many other people in your contact list as they can. Hence, it spreads like the flu or COVID, perhaps. All right, so what can you do? If you haven't clicked on it, don't worry, you are not at risk, okay? What you can do is forward that off to the Department of Internal Affairs and report it to CERT, that's certgovt.nz, to report it to Department of Internal Affairs. Just forward that message through to 7726. However, if you have clicked on it, right, and you've gone and installed the app, you need to go change all your passwords, right? Especially your banking passwords. You might want to check with your credit card. You also, if you've installed the app, you're going to need to factory wipe your phone, all right? And you can look online or contact your IT guy about how to do that, but that is unfortunately what you're going to need to do. Going into the future, in order to protect your phone better, there are some security widgets that we can switch on. I'll probably post an article about that. And also there is Sophos Mobile Intercept X, which is an app on the Play Store you can download and install, and that will protect your phone and your identity online that way. Cheers, have a good one.